Here's an example of how you can share a Google Doc with a group of individuals. First, I'm going to create my doc. Once you create it, you always go up to this blue share button, and it works the same in any of the Google applications. So the blue share button, right now the document is only private towards me. I'm going to rename it Team Project. Okay, here's what's going to give me options to share. Right now, I am the only owner of this document. Now, I have plenty of options. I could make this public on the web, which means anyone can see it. It would be searchable by Google. I can make this anyone with the link, therefore it's not searchable by Google, but anyone who has the link has access to it, which is usually the way that I like to go with my document. Now, here's the tricky part, and people forget to do this. There are different options of what someone can do once they can view the document. Viewing means they can only look at it. They have no ownership and no privileges. Can comment. That means at the bottom of your screen, you're going to have a comment box, and you can comment on it like you comment on a blog. And then the final one is can edit. This particular option means that people have the right to change anything on the document. Now, if you're doing a group project, this is the way that I would go. So you save that, and then you could share the hyperlink out with anyone, or you could invite people. Now, if someone has a Google account already, it's going to be really easy to share it with them. You can also share it with them if they don't have a Google account as well, but you just need to know their email and type it in exactly. So, for example, here is my husband pops up here. If I wanted to share this document with him, that means he'd have editing rights. I can also add a message, so if I wanted to send an email message, I could add that message as well if I wanted to. So I'm going to share that. Now he has editing rights, and that would be how you'd share a Google Doc. Now I can start typing in here, and everything's going to appear in real time. Now, here, this is going to mark all the different changes. And let's say 4 or 5 people were collaborating on a doc. I could go to these different tabs. I could see the different versions that people have created, and it would say and tell me exactly who's done what to the document. So that's a really good way to track people's changes. It works nicely with students. If you're collaborating with students, and you're able to see who's contributing what to a document. If you have any more questions, please let me know.